All right guys, today we're looking at the CMP zero-turn front mount dethatcher. You can see Andrew just let it down there with his lift handle, get the mower going, and we're off to the races. You can see those agricultural grade spring steel tines already pulling up a ton of material. Andrew's got it mounted onto his Toro here with U-bolts up front. We provide multiple mounting hardware options, but you guys will be able to mount it onto pretty much any zero turn that you can find out there. He's getting to the end of his pass. It's full of thatch, full of needles, full of leaves. Lift it up, boom, no problem. You can drive sideways, backwards, those tines aren't gonna break. They're meant to be operated forwards most of the time, that's how you're gonna do it, but you're not gonna wreck them turning, steering, needing to correct, get around trees, that type of thing. This thing is American made, raw steel to powder coat right here in Minnesota. We package them, ship them out for you guys to assemble at home. You can see Andrew's moving here. You don't have to baby it, you don't have to crawl and try to scrape up every last twig, leaf, everything. If you want to, you can do that, but it will hold up to really high speed. We have a video out there of the inventor of it, the original builder, Derek, cruising on his yard on his zero turn. We get a lot of comments wondering why he's going so fast. He likes to go fast, and that's okay. The dethatcher can hold up to it. He knows that, and he knows that it's going to do its job even cruising through the yard. If you're watching this video, you probably have a good understanding of why you're looking to do it, but maybe you've just heard about it, you heard people mention it, and you're curious. Thatch is that layer of dead grass, leaves, twigs, all that junk that falls on your yard. You're outside, it's nature, and you have this beautiful green grass lawn that's getting kind of suffocated by this carpet that builds up above the root system. So that thick carpet is blocking rain, it's blocking sunlight, it's blocking airflow, and it's stunting your grass. We like to say happy dethatching. It kind of started as a joke. Andrew said it at the end of the assembly video for the zero turn, but we say it now kind of seriously because you water your lawn, you fertilize, you do all the right things, and a lot of people overlook that you need to dethatch. You need to get that thick, suffocating layer out of the root system, off the soil, so that that grass can absorb all the natural nutrients. So we say happy dethatching because you're happy when you're done dethatching. This isn't hard work, it's fun, it's satisfying, and when you're all done, you know that you just did something invaluable for the life and longevity of your lawn. So you guys can see this is not a perfectly manicured lawn. This thing it's bumpy. It's got the natural rolls and dips and dives that you're gonna have in a normal rural lawn. And Andrew's moving over it pretty quick here, and you can see the dethatcher's barely bouncing. It's just the gravity, the weight of the dethatcher itself that's keeping it grounded, and those front wheels guide it really well. We stand by our products here at CMP. They're made here, made better in Minnesota. We have all the parts on our website to fix and service them yourself. If you break it, you can fix it. We'll get you parts quick, and we're proud of them.